So I got a new toy for my GT550, so I thought I'd do a little before and after video. This is my personal bike. I'm getting ready to head to the Barber Vintage Festival down in Alabama. I've been taking this one down there as my ride for 5, 6, 7 years now. Been wanting a set of these. Finally pulled the trigger and we're gonna get it done. So this is the before. Again, it's a 75 Suzuki GT550. And all the way from the UK, got Higgspeed, the sound of the 70s. So, I'll show you what it sounds like with the stock exhaust. Actually, it's not. It's a stock exhaust, but a couple years ago while I was riding, one of my lower center cylinder baffles, the screw must have came out and it departed, and of course I didn't notice it until I came to a stop. So it's been without a baffle on the center cylinder, so it's a little bit louder than it would normally be. So if it had all the baffles in it. So this is with the stock exhaust minus one baffle. Time to get it up on the lift. Start pulling this original exhaust off here so we can start getting these expansion chambers ready. Alright, so I've got the old exhaust removed. It's over there on the ground. Getting it all, make sure I'm ready for the new setup here before I pull it out of the box. Opened up the little accessory package. Looks like it's got these new little nubs to bolt in place, and then the expansion chambers slip onto that, and then held on with these nice looking springs. Here's the new system, still in the bubble wrap. And then there's the old system that come off of it. Unfortunately, you have to lose your center stand too. I'd forgotten about that. Not thrilled about it, but because I kind of like the center stand, but I guess we'll have to make do. I did figure out when I pulled the that one that I thought the baffle fell out on me. The baffle didn't fall out; it fell in. Yeah, you can't see it, but all the little baffle supports are completely gone down in there, and then the baffle's just laying down inside the pipe. So, all right, well, I'm gonna do a little bit of cleanup work and get started on the install. All right, so here's the first step in the process done. There's the little exhaust flanges that come with the Higgspeed exhaust. Got new exhaust gaskets behind there. Those didn't come with it. I had to luckily bought those in advance. I didn't think about it, but it does not come with hardware when you buy this, so I cleaned up my old hardware, but if I'd have thought about that, I'd probably just bought all new hardware. So, and then instructions say to use a little clear silicone to seal that up so you don't get oil dripping out of that. Didn't have any clear, had some gray silicone, so that's what we're using. So the next step's sliding the new pipe on. stop it right there so I can use two hands so I don't scratch this, and see what it looks like when it gets on there. Alright, it's on there. Looks pretty good. Haven't started it yet. We'll take it outside and fire it up. Getting the pipes onto those flanges took a little bit. At first I thought that there was something wrong. It looked like they're the same size metal, but if you push real hard and you hold your mouth just right and you squint just right, it'll slide on there. And, well, slide being a relative term, you still have to use a rubber hammer to get it to go all the way. And then you kind of jostle with it and wrestle with it until you get your brackets lined up. And I learned the hard way, you should start with the middle pipe. Because if you don't start with the middle pipe, you're just going to undo everything and start with the middle pipe. I think it looks pretty good on there though. Got the little springs there. It does, really the pipes are such a snug fit on those flanges, I'd be surprised if they'd come off there once they're bolted, they're bolted on back there, but I got the springs there to hold them on and keep them in position. So. And it uses your old muffler mounting hardware back here too. So. All right, get it down off the lift and take it out and fire it up. All right, there it is, all done. I think it looks pretty good. I did cheat and I fired it up for about 20 seconds on the lift in there just to make sure everything was okay. Sounds pretty good. I'll start it up here just a second. We'll have a look at that triple exhaust coming out. Probably not too long before those are all dirty and oily. I added a original style grab bar to it while it was on the lift. I'd had for a while, been wanting to get that on there, so that was good a time in. He did some other routine maintenance, tire pressures and chain adjust and lube and stuff like that. Alright, here we go. Let's fire it up. Key on. Give her a choke for just a second. Like I said, it's still pretty cold. I just ran it for a few seconds. Still a little smoky right now. This is the first time I've had it out this year, so it seems like that first ride, it's gonna burn out all the oil that settles in the cases from setting. So I'm sure the first time I get it on the road, it'll all burn out. I think it looks great. Sounds just Higgspeed stainless steel, polished stainless steel expansion chambers for Suzuki GT550. See you next time.